Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Aqara Home app for Hub M2. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Aqara Home app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed the app yet, go to your device's app store and search for Aqara Home. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Input your registered email address and password. If you are a new user, tap on Sign Up to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, and set a password. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once registered, return to the login screen and enter your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. To add your Hub M2, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. Select Add Device from the list of options. Choose Hub M2 from the available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to power on your Hub M2. Ensure your Hub M2 is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device. Wait for the app to locate your Hub M2. Once detected, tap on the device to start the authentication process. You may be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Input your Wi-Fi password carefully and tap Connect. The app will now attempt. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful authentication. Check if the Hub M2 status appears as online in the app. Customize your settings according to your preferences. You have successfully authenticated and set up your Hub M2 using the Aqara Home app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.